Comrades, the instruction is this, that the correctional services authorities are making it very clear that cell phones are prohibited. Another thing, ma'am, that you want to say? So you are happy?
From here, we're going straight to the section.
Okay, from here, what we're now going to do, we're now going to move here, from here to the cell. Long live the spirit of Steve Biko, long live. Long live. Long live the spirit of Steve Biko, long live. Long live. Thank you. Comrades, this is how it's going to happen. Just don't ask why, okay? And they are now going to search us if indeed we don't have cell phones, okay? So we don't worry because we don't have cell phones. Eh? So they're going to just search women this side, this door, and then the men this side. Men this side. Yeah, let's do that, okay?
Viva! Viva! Viva the spirit of Bantu Biko! Viva! Viva! Amanda! Comrades, without any waste of time, I'm going to invite Judge Makanya to join me in the cell. I'm going to invite Marjorie from Kulumani also to come into the cell as we start the program. Can you please let Marjorie come through? As we do that, I'm going to ask the president of Imbeleko to prepare to lay the wreath, and also someone from BCMU to come and lay the wreath. All right. So, and Comrade Musa.
Mandla! Mandla! One Azania! One nation! Comrades, we are here once more, as we have done so for many of the years that have passed since Steve was brutally killed in this cell in 1977. We're here to pay tribute to him. We are here to pay tribute to the struggle that he led for many years. We remember all those who were with him, who also laid their lives down. But we are here also to recommit ourselves to the vision of Azanian that Steve spoke about. It is 25 years since our country took flag independence. In those 25 years, our people are in worse conditions, live in worse conditions than they did before. The levels of poverty have escalated. More of our people are unemployed than they were in 1977 when Steve died. We come in to recommit ourselves to the vision of a more humane society, of a humane face that we promised. It is our historic commitment to our people, to our country, that we will give the best gift this country has ever had, a more human face. And so for that reason, we are here to say we will not give up. We are here to say it doesn't matter. They will not steal all there is to steal in our country, because we are here. We are here to say they will not kill all our people, particularly our women, in the manner in which they are doing while we live. We are here to say, just as we did at that time, if it takes us dying, we will do that. And so, this is the time to reconnect with our political ancestors. This is the time to reconnect with the struggles of our people. This is the time to remember that the land is still not in the hands of our people. It is a time to remember that we cannot pussyfoot when it comes to the issue of the land. The land needs to be returned to its rightful owners. We're not talking about compensations or non-compensations. We're talking about repossession of the land. We're talking about decolonizing the land. We're talking about true freedom, not the flag independence we've had for the last 25 years. Amandla! Amandla! One Azania! One nation!
Thank you. That was the president of the BCMU, Comrade Musala. Let us now invite the president of AZAPO,
Amandla! Amandla! One Azania! One nation! Viva Stephen Bantu Biko! Viva the spirit of Bantu Biko! Viva! Viva! Comrades, let me start by acknowledging those who are here today to come and commemorate the 42nd anniversary of the death of Stephen Bantu Biko. Amandla. We have people who have come to commemorate with us. We have the leader and chairperson of Kulumani group. We all know about Kulumani, and they are running after difficult times these days. Those who are actually fighting for the reparations of our people, and those companies in the US and England and so on who are involved in supporting apartheid. And they are saying, we want those companies to pay. And with me here in the cell, I've got Marjorie and her staff. Amanda, can you just come out and wave Marjorie to the people who are here? Thank you. Amanda! I did invite Judge Makanya also to come in. This is a stalwart of our struggle, and he is with us in the cell. I also want to acknowledge the leadership of the BCMU, and as you have heard the President, Comrade Tumela Musala, addressing you, and those he is traveling with, who have also come to be with us today. From here, Comrade Musala would be going to the hall to go and speechify at the hall. Here, we have just come to say, Biko, one more time. Another year, we are here. We want to say to Biko, our country every year gets into serious trouble and gets into a serious crisis as a result of mismanagement, as a result of veering far away from the Black consciousness movement, from the spirit that says this country was fought for. Biko, we want to say to you that as we speak today, one of our own is being buried in Harare, Comrade Robert Mugabe, who made it possible that we should be free. Biko, we want to say to you, as you can see what is happening in the country, women are raped, children are killed, families are being dislodged, and all this is at the doorstep of some of those you used to be with in the struggle, and they've betrayed you for gains of a personal nature. And we want to say to you, Biko, we are praying to you to give us strength. Biko! 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 Beckoning your spirit to come into us and give us strength. And we want to say to you, Biko, like Professor Musala said, that we are here to renew and we are not going to give up. We are going to continue a struggle. We are saying, Biko, give us strength to give this to our children and our children's children, so that as they go forward, as they move forward, they know the medicine that can free this country. Amanda!
Away.
Amanda!
Away.
That was the president of AZAPO, Comrade Chukwa. At this moment in time, can we now just a moment of silence to be able to connect the spirit of Comrade Mugabe to the spirit of Stephen Bantu Biko? Can we, just in a moment of silence, report to Steve Biko that one of ours, Comrade Mugabe, has fallen? Just a moment of silence before we lay the wreaths.
Caps off!
Wait.
One Azanian!
One nation.
One nation!
One Azanian.
Long live the spirit of Comrade Mugabe, long live! Can I now invite the two comrades who are going to lay the reeds? I would want them to stand there so that at least we see them. Where are the reeds? We can now invite the comrades to step outside of the cell. It's a small cell. Yes. We have asked black women to do the laying of the reeds.
No more deaths under the security forces of this country. We are aware of the chaos that is going on, all that our press oppress and exploit.
My soul.